Hey, just want to share with you guys this new battery camera from Roku. I have it installed here on the wall in my camper. Turn around here so that I can monitor my camper and my dogs that are over there in the bed when I might be out visiting with friends. So I'll share with you the screenshot of what this looks like. Don't laugh at all my stuff, but yeah, so far I'm really excited. So I have it hooked to my hotspot, which is with HomeFi, and I can just leave it on while I'm gone and monitor my dogs and make sure what they're doing or what. A 58-year-old grandma, and if I can do this, anybody can. All you do is use the QR code that's in the instructions and it will walk you right through it. It comes with all the hardware to hang it, and the instructions are super easy to follow. It did take me a couple of times to get it to connect to my hotspot, but once it did, I was off to the races. Now, every time I move or the dogs move, my phone alerts me with my Roku camera. Thanks for watching.